Hi, I wanted to share some of my favorite products from my Pro Makeup Kit. I specialize in bridal and camera-ready makeup for videos, for film, and just for camera. I do a lot with headshot photographers. Some of my favorite products are Danessa Myricks Color Fix. These are waterproof, long-lasting, great for bridal. Then I love my Senna Brow products. The powder pencil lives in my kit along with the Sketch a Brow, as well as Senna Brow Gels. Also, my Line Life waterproof mascara. I love this. It has nice conditioning effects in it. And also my Temptu Air. So I do most of the skin with airbrush, foundation, blush, contour, and the other product that lives in my kit all the time is the Skindinavia, the Oil Control Primer. That way I'm able to control any oil on anybody, and the Bridal Finishing Spray. What I wanted to share with you tonight in specific is today I have eye makeup on. I basically do my makeup from here up right now because I'm living in a world where we're wearing masks all the time. I have just a little bit of blush, but the Maskne Control Spray has been beneficial for me from keeping breakouts happening underneath the mask. I'm often in a mask for anywhere from 5 to 8 hours. But the big product I wanted to share with you, and I'll show you tonight, is the Skindinavia Make Off Remover Spray. This is an amazing product. I can take off all types of makeup, whether it's waterproof, long-lasting, anything from somebody that's come into me. The way I like to apply is always want to shake the products a little bit. I'm gonna do half of my face here. Just gonna spray the product on a little bit. What I normally do is count to a count of about 10. And once I'm ready to do that, I will remove it with just a tissue. I'll just take, I might have a little bit of foundation here. I know I have a little Senna Brow Gel. I am wearing Danessa Myricks Color Fix on my lid and the Lime Life waterproof mascara. I like to just massage this in. You can see the product already starting to break down under my eye, and just rub down. Then I just take a tissue and quite easily remove what's here, and I'll come right over my eye area with the tissue. Just look down and up, and it's removed all that waterproof makeup quite effectively. So this is one of my absolute favorite products when I'm using the Color Fix. A lot of times I put it on the back of my hand. It is waterproof, therefore I can remove it from the back of my hand with the remover spray. Very simple, and those are a few of my favorite items for my Pro Makeup Kit.